In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to buy and install WordPress on Kinsta, step by step, where I will show you which hosting plan you should choose and the actual buying process involved. I will then show you how to install WordPress on Kinsta the right way and choosing the correct settings. Towards the end of this video, I will give you a very special offer if you decide to pick up Kinsta through my link below. I will give you my 6-figure blogger course for free as a way of saying thank you for supporting my channel. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click on the link in the description or type this into your browser. It will take you to my special Kinsta discount page where you will get the best discount Kinsta is currently offering. Now we can click on View Plans to check out the price comparison between the different plans they have. So a great thing here with Kinsta is that they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee on all their plans. So you can pretty much test it out to see if you think it's fast enough or if you like the way they run things. And in terms of their pricing plan, it is very simple. If you want one website, it's going to be $30 and it increases from there. So here's 2 websites, 5 websites, 10 websites, and so on. Another great thing here is they tell you how many visitors per month each of these plans will be able to support. So for example, on the $30 plan, the limit will be around 25,000 visits per month. So this makes it very easy for you to decide. You just need to know how many websites you want to install and how many visitors you estimate to get per month. Then you pick your best plan. So for this tutorial, I'm going to choose the $30 plan. But a quick note is below here you can see that if you pay yearly, you'll get 2 months free. So it's always worth doing. Once you've decided that Kinsta is right for you, I always recommend to sign up for the yearly plan as you're going to save some money. But Kinsta is pretty unique in the web hosting world and offers monthly plans, which is also really handy. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to pick the monthly plan and click on choose. Now enter in your personal details and now click on continue. The next step is to enter in your billing information and your credit card details for payment. And now click on finish up. Once your purchase is successful, it will take you to Kinsta's main dashboard here where you will be able to create your first website. So there's 2 options here. Create your first website yourself, or if you're migrating from another hosting provider, you can click request migration here and Kinsta's own support team will do this whole migration for you for free. But in this case, we're going to create our website. So click here and click get started. And now we want to install WordPress. Choose your domain name. You will have to purchase your domain name from somewhere else as Kinsta does not provide a domain name service. So what I recommend you do and what I do myself is I buy all my domain names from Namecheap.com. They're one of the best and cheapest domain name providers. So you can check out this video here for more information on how to do that. Put in the name of your site here. And now we choose our data centers. Kinsta amazingly has 24 data centers around the world. And the one you should choose is where most of your customers are located. So for example, if it's in Australia, then you should pick Sydney. But for this case, I'm going to pretend that my customers are global. So I'm just going to choose Northern Virginia here. Now you need to put in your site title, put in username. Make sure not to use admin as this will make it easier for hackers to get into your website. And now you need to decide if you want to install WooCommerce or Yoast SEO. So put in WooCommerce if you want to use it for your e-commerce store. And for Yoast, I don't recommend this. I have a different SEO plugin that I use. So once you're happy with everything, click on add site. Now give it a few minutes for Kinsta to get your website ready. And once it shows that our website is live, we can move on to the next step of connecting our domain name from Namecheap to Kinsta. So we click on $.com. And now we need to copy our site IP address. Go to our Namecheap account and select Advanced DNS. Click on Add New Record. Select a record. Type in @ for the IP address. Now we can paste in what we copied before and click on Save Changes. Now we can come back to our Kinsta dashboard and click on Domains. After you've waited a little while, probably maximum 1 hour, your domain should be successfully pointing to Kinsta. But to double check this, we can go to a website called whatsmydns.net type in your domain name and click on search. And once all your IP addresses are matching with the Kinsta provided IP address, that means your website is ready to go. So mine is ready to go, as you can see here, so we move on to the next step. We still have another step to go, but I just wanted to quickly ask you if you're getting value out of my videos so far. If so, just let me know by liking my channel and subscribe so you don't miss out on more quality content just like this. And the next step is to install our SSL certificate. To do this, you can either click it from here or go to Tools, scroll down to the bottom and click on Enable HTTPS. Click on Generate Free SSL Certificate. Click on Generate. Give it a few moments to load. And that's it. Our Let's Encrypt SSL certificate has been successfully installed. Now we should enable the Force HTTPS also. Click on Enable. And we want to force all traffic. And now click Force HTTPS. So you can see installing an SSL certificate was very simple. The next thing we should do is go and check our front end and back end of our website that it is running correctly. So we go back to domains, click on Open URL, and this should load up our front end WordPress website. And you can see here it's working correctly. And now we go back and click on Open WordPress Admin. This will take us to our dashboard. Now you can input the username and password that we created together before and then click on Login. This will take you to the back-end dashboard of your bare bones WordPress website that we created together on Kinsta. And just to double check that everything is working and our SSL certificate is activated, you can just hover over here and you can see that the connection is secured and our website is locked. So now you have the bare skeleton and the makings of an awesome website. And all you have to do now is go and build one out. But the WordPress installation part is fully complete. Just a quick note on my bonus offer to you. If you decide to pick up Kinsta through my link, just send me your receipt to bonus@dotcomdollar.com and I'll send you back access to my bonus course right away. It's that easy. Now that you have successfully installed WordPress onto your bare bones Kinsta account, it's now time to go and actually fully build out your WordPress website. And this next video will help you do just that. So check it out and I'll see you over in that next video.